Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Tuesday and we have a 3-layer cake. We are actually I'm recording this in advance and I have been taking care of sick people, so let me see what I'm recording. Oh yeah, we're recording for Zone 3. So our 3-layer cake is routines, which include our 5 routines, our morning routine for ourselves and our children, our laundry routine, our paper routine, after dinner routine, and our before bed routine. Now, if you are a person who is not working in the home as a homemaker, but you are a payroll fly baby, then you're only going to do the morning routines first. And when you do come home from work, you're going to do the laundry, the paper, and then everybody's going to do the after dinner routine after dinner, and then the before bed routine. The second layer of our cake today is our zone. We are in Zone 3. However, it's Tuesday, so we don't work on our zone today. So never mind. Don't do Zone 3. But know that you have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to work in Zone 3. Okay, so I hope you have something lined up for that. Instead, during zone time, you're going to take care of yourself. Do something for you. And then the third thing is that our basic weekly plan is free day. So this is the day we take care of ourselves. So if you really want to talk about it in general terms, you're just doing your routines today and you're just taking care of yourself. All right, so it's a nice, easy day. I want you to enjoy it, and I want you to really know that it's a beautiful day. You're a beautiful person. Let's go forward and take care of this person that no one else is going to take care of. You are responsible for taking care of you. That's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.